Today, we're gonna be drawing a zombie. That's kind of what they look like, I agree. All right. Are you excited? Yes. You love Halloween, don't you?
Yes.
Yes. So you're pretty excited about this one? All right, I think we're gonna get started, Zombie Carter. All right, we're gonna get started right over here. So we're over to the right of center, and we're just gonna draw a line straight up and down. Yeah, right there is good. Nice. Now let's do the same thing over here on the left side of our paper. The lines should start right about the same spot. Now starting over here, we're just going to curve up, and then we're going to curve down and back up. Nice. It's like a sideways S. Starting right here on the side of this line, we're going to curl over and just do a mountain, another mountain, and it kind of looks like a cloud finishing over here. That looks wonderful. All right, let's come over here, and we're just going to start leaving a little space, and we're going to come straight down, and then we'll connect into our line. We're going to do about the same thing on the other side. Let's start at the bottom though. So we're just almost to the bottom of this line, and we're going to go out, and then we're just going to come straight up and touch to this cloud we made on top. There we go. Let's come right up here, and we're just going to make a long skinny U, then a small little U. Great. Now right here, we're just going to draw a curved line that just comes down and over. And then starting from the bottom of that, we're going to make a little U. Nice. And now let's make a little baby U that connects back up to our cloud. All right, starting right over here, I'm going to draw a circle. That looks good. And now over here, we're going to draw a bigger circle. That looks great. Inside our little circle, we're just going to color in a small dot, and it's over on the side, so it looks like this eye is kind of looking this way. And then over in the big circle, we're going to draw a dot up here where it looks like he's looking up. You got it. All right, right between these eyes, we're just going to draw a nose. And our nose is just going to be an upside down V. Now starting over here, almost to this line, we're going to come down, and we're just going to make a wiggly line, and it's going to come back up. That looks great. Now let's come back over here, and we'll start right here, and we're just going to draw 2 little stitches coming down. Same thing on the other side. We're just going to draw 2 little stitches on this side as well. Good. Now right here, we're just going to draw a little rectangle. And in the middle here, we're going to draw another rectangle coming down, over, and up. And over here, one more rectangle down, over, and up to connect back in. Now right between these rectangles, we're just going to draw a few more stitches. Oh, that's looking really good. Now let's come over to this line, and we're just going to curve down under his mouth, bring it all the way to the other side, and connect it back up. You got it. Wow, that's looking really awesome. Now let's come down here, and we're just going to draw his neck. So we're going to put a line out here by this side of his mouth, and out here under this side of his mouth. Good. Now starting over here at this line, we're going to draw a line that just comes out, so it's right past his head. Same thing on the other side, we want it to come out just a little past where the outside of his head. Now starting over here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down, and then it's just going to have a slight curve at the bottom. So start right here, bring it down and curve. Yep, right there. You got it. All right, now starting just below where we left off, we're going to come up past that line and make a big mountain. Perfect. Other side, same thing. We're going to make a diagonal that comes down and curves in. Start just below that line, up past it, and make a mountain. Great. Now let's start over here, and we're just going to make some U's. Down, up, down, up, down, up, and our last U is going to connect right over to this side of our mountain. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, connect. You got it. There you go. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Down, up, and a U, connect. Down, good. 2, 3, last one connects. 4. There it is. These are his hands. Now between his hands, he only has 4 fingers, so we're missing a thumb. So right over here, we're just going to add a little curve that comes out and connects back in, and that's his thumb. And then on the other hand, same thing, come out and connect. Good. We're going to come up and start right here underneath his neck, and we're just going to draw a slight diagonal that connects to the top of his hand. Same thing on the other side of his neck, leaving a little space, then a diagonal that connects down to the hand. Great. All right, starting on the second finger in right here, we're just going to draw a little diagonal that comes down. Same thing on the other side, a little diagonal that comes down. Now I'm just going to connect those 2 diagonals with a wiggly jiggly line. Good, have fun with it. Yep, down and up, wiggly jiggly, and connect. All right. Starting out here on the edge of the jiggly line, we're just going to draw a diagonal coming back in. Right there? Yep, right on the edge. Good. Same thing on the other side, starting way out here, and we just draw a diagonal coming in. Should be about the same length. There it is. Good job. Now right in the middle, just below this jiggly line, we're just going to draw a straight line coming down. Good. Starting at our center line, we're just going to draw a mountain that comes over and connects right here. Same thing on the other side. Starting in the middle, a big mountain that connects over here. Good. Now come down here to the bottom and just draw a straight line connecting across, and then a straight line connecting on the other side. You've got it. Good job. Now right here, on his knee, we're just going to draw a little hole in his pants. Zombies' clothes are old and they typically are ripped and torn. So we're going to draw a little hole with some jiggly lines. And then over here, we're going to draw a little number sign, 2 lines next to each other and 2 lines across. Good. It's kind of like a patch on his old clothes. Now let's draw a little hole in his elbow. So we're just going to draw a jiggly line that comes in and connects back down. And then right up here at the neck, we're going to come down and then we're going to create a jagged, crazy line that goes wiggly jiggly up and down and connects on the other side. Over here on the left, let's draw another number sign with 2 lines up and down and 2 lines across. That looks really good. All right, let's come to our cloud up here, which is actually going to be his brain. We're just going to draw a curved line right about here. Then let's come down and do another curved line right about here. Make it look a little bit more like a brain. Another curved line over here. How about over here? Let's give it another one. Just add in a little detail. You have room right here for one more. Why don't you go ahead and... There you go. And you know, I think I could fit it too. There we go. We're going to add some hair. So let's come up here by his brain and we're just going to come out and draw some crazy hair. And then we'll do another one on the other side. Now he's got a little bit of hair. All right, I think our zombie's looking pretty good. What's next? That's right, we're gonna color. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and speed this part up. To show them our zombies?
Yes.
All right, count it down for me.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, that looks really good. I love your zombie. You think it turned out cool?
I see. Wow, yeah.
Well, I had a lot of fun with you. I'm super excited for Halloween, and I think hopefully we won't see any real zombies.
Hopefully I see a real spider.
Oh, we don't want to see real spiders either. You did such an amazing job. I'm just so proud of you.
You did too.
Thanks, buddy. All right, well, we hope you guys had fun, and we're sure your zombies are going to turn out super awesome. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon for another How to Draw.